Hi, this is Deepina, and I'm here to talk about how I started making money online after quitting my soul sucking job, 9 to 5 job of 13 years. I have a business that goes by the name deepinasing.com. I have built this business from scratch from 2020, and what I do is basically help my clients, which are other businesses that run online, and I help them to make more money. How I do this is by either helping them sell more products if they are a product based business, or I help them to attract quality leads so that some of these leads can be converted to their paid clients or customers. Jewelry, handmade products, soaps, gift boxes, or any product that people use in a toys, etc., to people who are selling services like home cleaning, makeup services, or interior designing services. And then I also have clients who are coaches, who are travel coaches, or who are career coaches, who are mental health coaches, or who are fitness trainers. So these are the variety of people that I've worked with so far. Now, the first thing that I want to say is that it is possible to quit your job and start earning money online and at any age. And believe me when I say that, I quit my job pretty late in life, and I didn't start doing this when I was in college. So it is not something that's just a side hustle and it's temporary and it's very small and it can be only used to make extra income. What I do can be used to generate a small side income when you're studying or something as a part-time, or you can go full-time and make big money, same as any secure, safe job would give you. Of course, the hard work is equal, but the benefits are you are your own boss, so you don't have to take permissions from anybody, and you don't have a sword hanging on your head all the time, and you can plan your work in such a way that, even I still work 9 hours or 10 hours sometimes, and I don't work 9 hours or 10 hours on my birthday or my husband's birthday or even on my dog's birthday. And then I can go see my mom whenever and travel on a weekday. So there are other benefits that come by being your own boss. It's not that, when people say that, I'm doing my own business and I'm my own boss, they think that we are not working. We are working a lot. I'm working almost as hard as I used to in my job. But the only difference is I don't miss out on important things in my life. I have a brother's wedding. I had to answer no one, and no one could question me that I was going to go and work from home for 15 days and I was going to be off on a few days. So those things in life become easy, and that's the benefit. Talking about what I do, so I actually offer people two types of services. Either I offer done for you services, or I offer them consulting. When I talk about done for you services, means where I charge them more and I implement everything for them, which includes all the things that come under the umbrella of marketing, which could be like I help people in building their online brands by, starting from their brand colors to their brand fonts to their website to their social channels to the color schemes and everything. So I help online businesses set up or redo or rebrand their entire branding online. Okay, I already talked about website building. So I have built e-com stores for my clients, I have built funnels for my clients, I have built portfolio websites for my clients. So I have done website designing. I also do video editing and video making for my clients who use videos for promotional events or services. So that is also one of the skills of mine that I leverage. And in addition to that, I do 90-day projects or, ads management, where I create, run, manage, optimize, scale their entire ad accounts on LinkedIn or on Facebook or Google. So I have been into ad management. I've also created funnels for my clients. So funnels, it's a very beautiful concept of marketing, which I will talk about in some other video in detail about what funnels are. Okay, helping them set up webinars, helping them do online trainings, helping them get more clients who buy their membership programs. So doing that. And I also help my clients with content strategy, with a content strategy wherein I plan how they should post their content, which would help them in getting the desired goal that they have. If they want more leads or want more sales or want more clients, like whatever their goals are. In Done For You, I sit with my clients, I consult, I create a roadmap for all the things they need to do for the next 90 days based on what their goals are. If they say that they want to make a specific revenue through their leads, or they want to make specific revenue through their sales. So we reverse engineer it and make a plan on what they need to do on a daily basis for the next 90 days so that they will achieve the revenue of their dreams. So that's what I do in my done for you service. The other type of service that I do is where I just consult with my clients. It's basically 3 hours of my time, wherein I dig into their business from start to the end, like what they sell, what they offer, how they are marketing it, how their leads are coming. I check all their current setup and system, and I advise them and give them a plan on what they need to do to change uh, their current systems. Where are the leaky points? Where are the roadblocks? Why they are not generating revenue despite of having the systems that they already have? So I consult them. I find their leaky spots, and I find their blockages in their system, and I give them a plan that they can implement themselves or they can have their teams implement it. But it's a detailed plan. It's kind of consult for businesses that are starting from scratch. So I also do all this planning, for systems and branding and website. I do the plan for all the businesses that are planning to launch in a while, or who have just started and stopped because they don't think they're doing the right thing. So I help new businesses launch. In my last 2 years of working in digital marketing, my forte has been working with new businesses. So I have worked more with businesses that had no sales and had not launched anything before, and I have helped them take off the ground. That is the kind of work that I've been doing for the last 2 years. In total, I have worked for 20 plus businesses. Some have been a consult where people have implemented things themselves, some have been done for you, and I have helped my clients generate more than 25K in revenue. And the best part about this work is because I came from that background where I worked like hell, and my job was not allowing me to sleep on time, eat on time, check up on my loved ones, or meet people, meet my family on important occasions and festivals. My job was not allowing me to do that, although I was making a lot of money. So once I transitioned from that to my business, one thing I realized, that it's possible. If it's possible for me, it's possible for anyone. The second thing is, while helping these business owners make their business thriving and make their business make a lot of revenue, while doing so, I feel empowered in a very different kind of way, because I'm helping them feel the same thing that I'm feeling right now by starting my own business. So it's a wonderful feeling, and yeah, that's it. That was my story. I would love to know your story. I would love to know what you do and why you do what you do. Let's talk out in the comments. Like I said, I'm a people's person and I love talking to people. Let me know what you're doing, why, or what you want to do. See you guys later in the next video.